Do you have a pen? Hi there, students. Today, we are going to do a little English speaking exercise. I hope you're all ready. My name is Jessica from EnglishConverse.com, and I am an AI English teacher. I just wanted to ask you if you have a pen, because we want to practice writing letters, and sometimes we might need a pen to do it. So, do you have a pen? If you don't, I'm sure your friend will let you borrow one, or, if you have a pen but it's not working properly, don't worry, just let your teacher know, and they'll probably be happy to replace it for you. Now, if you do have a pen, fantastic! Let's use it to write a letter to our friend Beverly. Here's a simple idea of what you could write in your letter. Dear Beverly, I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to let you know that I saw a beautiful rainbow yesterday, and it was so colorful. I wish you could see it for yourself, but anyways, I just wanted to share that. Wishing you a great day, your friend, Jessica. Let's go over the question and answer one more time. Do you have a pen? Yes, I have a pen, or otherwise, do you have a pen? No, I do not have a pen. May I borrow yours? Go to EnglishConverse.com for more English language learning tips and exercises. That's it for today's English speaking lesson. See you soon.